Hello.
Yeah, I made you host.
Okay.
Yeah, Subrat, any update from you, Subrat?
No, actually, I didn't get the chance to work on that.
Today we'll try, otherwise this weekend I'll set up the environment. If you have any, how much RAM you have in your machine?
For me, it's 8 only.
16 GB.
16 GB. Then
For me, 16
you install one machine, Gen
Yes.
server you install.
Gen server.
Yeah, on top of Gen server, we'll take one VM because this VMware workstation, I'm suspecting whether it's supported or not.
Okay.
We'll go for one Gen server on top of, because Gen server, it's
Okay.
mandatory, they need to support.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
I don't know how to
Venkat,
install.
come to PVS server.
Okay.
What is the name of the machine you gave? Boot it from boot, normally boot. No, that Windows 10 also boot
This one.
normally.
Okay. Okay.
So check this machine, that P2B converter
Hello.
is there, right? Open that P2B converter.
P2.
One
Where
P2B
in
converter
starting
comes, right? In the C drive program files.
C drive. Okay. 1 second.
Citrix.
Browsing service, right?
Yeah, provisioning services. That P2B, some converter is there.
This is P2 PVS.
Yeah, P2. Yeah, open that one.
Okay.
Choose second option. That mission name is there, right? Try to note that
Yes. Mission name.
desktop icon. Yeah, so
Okay.
come to PVS first mission. Yeah, now create a Vdisk here. Manually create a Vdisk.
Here.
Yeah, here
Disk pool,
create a
right?
Vdisk. Yeah, create a Vdisk. give the same name, that mission name, what is there, that same name you give.
File name.
Yeah, file name, give the same name. That computer name is there, right? Desktop something. These all we
Desktop.
shouldn't do. Normally through imaging wizard itself we need to do, but we are getting some error.
Numeric not working.
Numeric.
File name is only numerical values not working.
Then change that name of the server. Here from this, if you convert, check once, convert once. No, that mission itself.
Okay.
Yeah, convert to second option. Or PVS Vdisk only, second option you choose, first option.
First option. Okay.
Next, it is not recognizing. PVS Vdisk is not found. From a running provisioning mission to a Vdisk. Okay, choose the second option itself. The desktop 727 that is not taking. Yeah, convert next. Next. But this rename this computer name without having numeric.
Okay. Right here.
Yeah, change that computer name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I create now?
Yeah, create the VDisk here.
Created.
Create a device collection here, one device collection.
Can I enter Mac also?
No, no, already that same MAC ID is there, that this Venkat Vdisk add here. Cancel this. Properties. Properties.
Okay.
Vdisk. Yeah, remove this one, add that Venkat. Remove the first one. Okay. Now start that conversion to this with the same Venkat file. That
Here?
yeah, same that wizard, P2V wizard. Second option. No, no, not C drive Vdisk. That store path, create a UNC path and give that one. That you have
Where?
a store right in your server.
Okay.
That UNC path you give here. In your mission, you may created one store path. In
How
the
to
C
show?
drive,
How
C
to?
drive,
Okay. In this system C drive,
in that
right?
system, yeah, in that VM, that PVS VM,
Yeah.
that UNC path, share it and give that path.
Program files, right?
No, where you given the store path, PVS store.
Previous store. SQL.
No, no, not SQL. Okay, SQL file list. Yeah, give this SQL
File.
list. SQL you give that make it sharing to that drive share it. No, no, you need to share it. Come back.
Okay.
Right click, properties, sharing. Yeah, share. Yeah, give that. Read and write. Yeah, this path you give there.
Can I start?
Yeah, that mission is there. Venkat itself, right? Yeah, give that. Yeah, on that SQL folder, check whether the files are adding or not. Size is increasing or not. to that Venkat folder, it need to write the data. Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
it's not created the new, right?
Old one already.
Yeah. So now
Updated.
you understood, right? We are doing manually, that need to done automatically, but we are getting some error. That is the reason we are doing.
Okay.
Once this mission has been
Manually.
converted, we'll change that Vdisk mode to
Standard mode.
standard from private. What is the difference between private to standard? Private is only one device can use.
Standard.
Yeah, private mode only one device
Okay.
can use, and read and write is possible. In the standard mode, multiple devices
Yes,
can
yes.
boot from the Vdisk.
Yes.
Okay, and read only, or
No
read
need.
and write is allowed.
Read only.
Read
And
only.
where
Read
the
only.
user data is going to store?
Cache.
In
Yeah,
the
write
local
cache.
cache.
We need to
Yeah,
specify the
right.
write cache. In that
Right.
write cache, the user data is going to store. Okay, so once this conversion is done, later we'll change this mode to
Standard.
Standard mode.
standard, and
Private.
we'll specify the write cache location path. Meanwhile, create one dummy VM. Create one dummy VM meanwhile. And get that MAC ID, and in the device collection need to add. In the device collection, we need to add a new.
Okay.
In the device collection, we need to add what? We need to add.
MAC ID.
Yeah, new device need to be created. New device need to be
Okay.
created.
Here.
Yeah, first is the device booted. That new device is booted. Power on this mission. Yeah, get that MAC ID. Note down that MAC ID. That BIOS option, normal BIOS option enable after shutdown. Yeah, as of now, it is showing the valid error message itself. What is that message it is showing? For this device,
No
no
entry
data,
found in
no
database.
entry found in which database that is?
Device
PVS
collection.
In the
database.
PVS database.
C20.
00C29 mostly common.
Okay. 2E0810.
Yeah, someone remember that and tell him.
2E08.
And Vdisk also, that Venkat Vdisk attached to this.
Yeah. Can I click this one also?
No need, no need. No, there is no local hard disk itself.
Okay.
Come to that Vdisk itself, general, maybe name you may not given. Come to general tab. Give any name. So as of now, first we shouldn't keep into production. Okay, maybe dev test like this you move. That production is there, right? Type
Type.
in
Yes, yes.
production is there. Yeah, instead of production, first we'll keep in test kind of environment.
Yes.
Once it's success, then we'll move to
Production.
production. Restart once that mission once. As of now, still that Vdisk is not booted, right? And it's locked also.
Yes, 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 yes.
It is giving that option, but it may be corrupted something. One you enter. Yeah, no servers available for
Vdisk.
Vdisk. Okay, so let's wait for some time. That means this previous server is not taking her TFTP. Okay,
Okay, log.
let's say
Can I?
finish this. Yeah, finish. Yeah, this mission we can shut down now. Shut down that mission.
Which it will
Come to Vdisk
this
once.
mission.
No, come to PVS console once. First server. Go to device collection. Refresh once. Till that mission is not recognizing. Okay. Okay, that mission shut down. Windows 10 mission. No. Come to that
Vdisk
mission.
Venkat.
That collection you come.
Dummy.
No, not dummy mission. Venkat mission shut down once.
Sam.
Yeah, this mission shut down. Not here. Yeah, that mission shut down. Because once Vdisk is converted, we no need of that mission.
Yes, yes, yes. Now we change to private mode. Vdisk.
Yeah, that standard mode
Standard
is
mode.
changed. Yeah, Vdisk mode need to change to this Venkat.
Man. Permissions we are lost.
Actually, here
Actually.
one problem we got it. Because once we create manually, it is not creating .pvp file and PVP file and one log file would be there. Those files are not created now.
Okay.
In the store, right?
Actually, in the store, only Vdisk, VMDK, that file may be created, VMDX file. PVP file and those files will create. Go to that file once. That server go once.
Which
In the SQL folder, you go to SQL folder once.
yes, yes.
Yeah, refresh once here. Here, Venkat, that PVP file is not created. That vdisk.pvp is there, right? That rename to venkat.pvp, capital letters, venkat.pvp. That copy and rename
Here.
to that vdisk.pvp is there, right?
I
Okay.
That copy and rename to venkat.pvp. Actually, these all not recommended way, but for us, it's good practice.
testing and practice.
In the real time, we shouldn't do like this. But you will understand each and everything inside what's happening. Venkat.pvp file. That PVP file stores all the configuration details of our Vdisk.
Okay.
Okay, so 3 file will be created.
Yeah,
.pvp,
three
.map,
files.
BSDX.
Okay, now the actual file is that VMDX file. PVP is configuration file. Lock file is whether that Vdisk is locked or not.
Okay.
Okay, so that state would be stored in lock file. Yeah, now check our luck need to check. Because that properties may be different, these properties may be different. We'll see. That Vdisk one open once. That Vdisk property is open once. Vdisk properties. Vdisk.
Okay, okay. Can I start this mission?
This also, this some file permission issue is coming, or no need of this mission. That file permission something is coming.
Then we have to check
Check
it
for
in the store
other
actually.
file sample thing, check. Sample one also. That file permissions we are not getting. Go to the store here once. The last option, stores and store.
Yes.
Not here, this, yeah.
Yes, this one.
Yesterday you got some errors, right?
Today also.
Or go to stores. Servers and path. Validate this, that Citrix SQL, validate. No, last OK button beside validate is there.
Yeah,
That validate button, click on the validate button. Down.
already done.
No,
It's
but
showing no creation permission, no create permission.
create another folder and give that. Instead of C drive SQL,
Yeah, yesterday we faced the same issue,
same
right?
issue,
So
right? Yeah, we are not getting the
yeah, so
permission.
we have created another folder
Actually,
and give.
for the
Yeah.
VM, better to have a D drive. For the
Yeah.
PVS server, in the C drive, we shouldn't keep these kind of files in the production.
Mhm.
Okay, C drive,
We have only
yeah, in C drive, instead of that SQL file, create one more file and that permissions, all those check once. And share it, give that file to this. To the store, give that file name.
create a new folder, right?
Yeah, create a new folder in that. Come back.
Which name I give? Can I give?
Yeah, in the C drive itself, give a new folder.
Yeah, it's already created.
Yeah, give Venkat something, give the permissions, sharing. That space you don't give. Why you give space for folders?
Okay.
We should use underscore, these kind of things. We shouldn't give the spaces. Try to add local admin also once. Any other admin users also there. Try to add here. Search for admin something. Everyone give everyone as of now add everyone will see. Like you read and write. Yeah, share. Yeah, done. Add this one to that PVS. This path add to the store.
Valid.
Yeah, cache also add
Okay.
validate.
Yeah, already done. Both are valid state.
Both are, yeah. Now copy those Venkat files only to this folder. Already SQL file, we have those PVP, VMDK, all those, right?
Yes, yes,
In the
yes.
SQL folder, what are the files are there? Copy to this folder.
These three.
Yeah, those files, all files you copy once. Yeah, these all the files you copy to. Now in the Vdisk properties, check whether that opens or not.
Yes, yes. After completing copy.
Yeah, after complete, check once whether that permission problem we should resolve now. What about Anirudh? Are you able to set up PVS server installation? Anirudh. Now at least it got some, yeah. Yeah, change to standard and
Okay.
drop down that cache type is
Standard.
there, right? Cache type, yeah, that is very, very important.
Cache
Cache
type,
as of
which
now, choose cache and server.
cache and server.
Cache and server as of now, choose.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, okay. Click OK. Now that dummy device, we need to restart once.
Okay. Okay.
You are getting right what we are doing? Anirudh?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, you are doing right, you will understand. What about Anirudh? Yeah, cache and server standard mode is there. Okay. So now check the device collection also once. Collection also confirm once. Collection, the dummy device. Cancel this, cancel. Dummy device. That MAC ID should be correct because otherwise we may
Yes,
Vdisk.
yes.
That Vdisk is from the store Venkat. Okay. Yeah, try to restart now. That now this time it need to boot it. Yeah, give one.
No
No.
bootable drives have been found. No.
This is, I'm suspecting that bias issue. From this BIOS, it is not booting, right?
Okay, then we can try it in Zen server. So
Yeah,
that
Gen
will
server
be,
will try. At least this is for learning purpose. It's useful.
yeah.
Yeah, because maybe VMware Workstation stopped this kind of booting, I'm suspecting. Gen server, 100% it will support. Gen server VM steps are
Okay.
almost the same, but the VM is not on
VMware or
workstation.
like
It is able to
VMware
it
workstation.
log into that PVS also. It's found the database also, but that Vdisk is not booting with this method. But if I change to that BIOS method to another one, this option itself is not coming.
And for the Zen server, is it will take more space or like?
Yeah, it takes more space, actually, more RAM and
Okay.
all that. Again, on top
Okay.
of Gen server, we need to create more one VM.
Yeah, correct.
8 GB you give for Gen server only. On that, create one VM with because vCenter is ESXi vCenter, we can't set up that
Mm-hmm.
unless
Yeah,
physically
Zen server
we
is
have.
Citrix product, no? I think it
Yeah,
will be.
only Gen, at least Gen Center is not required.
Mm-hmm.
For VMware, what they made it is mandatory, vCenter is mandatory.
Mm-hmm.
So last option, boot option change once. Because if you change that firmware to another boot option, it is not coming.
Yeah.
Shut down. And network boot is enabled, right? Otherwise, it won't. No bootable drives found. Because if you enable that BIOS option to this option, it is not booting at all. Normal hard disk booting also is not happening. Here, if you change to BIOS, it is not booting also. Yeah, power on to the machine. Here, anyhow, no hard disk is there. It went to PVS server. It got the MAC ID. No DHCP option. 1 second, 1 second. What is that error message it is got? No DHCP option. 11 server IP or option 17 server name. It is expecting 11 and 17. Come to that 11 and 17 scope options in DHCP because this firmware
Yeah,
is
but this is also
expecting.
error. I got it
Yeah, we
earlier.
got it, but this firmware is showing this one.
Okay.
So normally 66, 67 need to be set up.
Yeah, so Venkat, you can go to the AD
That
server and
DHCP,
open the DHCP
DHCP
scope
11 and 7, what is there? We'll add that server details.
and open the DHCP.
Scope
Yeah,
options.
yeah. 11 and 17. No, you can directly search the DHCP. It will
Yeah,
come.
DHCP.
Okay, okay.
Scope options. Here also come to scope options. Fourth one.
At first, you can check for 11 and
Right click and
17.
properties, right click properties, not this. Yeah, right click properties. 11. Check the 11. What is that? Resource location servers. Give the same server name you give. No, just give name and IP address. Server name is host name you give.
Server name, right?
Yeah, host name you give.
Local host.
Yeah, local host machine. IP address, add that IP
Where?
below to that.
String value.
Another message, it is another one, 11, 17, right?
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
17.
Path name of that.
Root path. What is the string
No,
value?
extend that, scroll it, yeah. No, this is not the correct.
What is the string value?
No, this is not, that firmware is not allowing PXE booting. Give ARDBP32.bin.
Here?
Yeah. Yeah, restart once.
Working.
Finally, it's working.
Yeah, it's working.
I
So
think we missed that 11 and
that 11
17.
normally they're not required. In your normal environment also, we'll keep those
Yeah, yeah,
and
correct.
17. Because this booting means it's a magic, right?
Wait.
No,
The
anyhow, the
Okay.
Windows we got it right.
The
Because
virtual machine.
we don't have any ISO, right?
No.
We don't have any ISO, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's booting means some that error network is very low, right, in our environment, booting wise.
Mm-hmm.
This is the internal some error we are getting, but it's this Windows button booting coming means that Vdisk itself is giving this boot option.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's nowhere it can boot. Go to that VM CD-ROM settings once. Any ISO is there
VM?
in the VM in the dummy mission. Go to VM CD-ROM settings. This booting over the network is very tough because that file need to boot over the network.
Okay, it required high bandwidth.
Yeah, it take that.
One session.
Normally in the physical environment, we don't get these problems.
Mhm.
Okay.
Physical means real environment, sir.
Yeah, in the real environment, we'll have
Okay.
network is 100 Gbps also will have the networks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here all are in the same mission and the same network adapter we are using virtually. That 20 GB, 40 GB file need to focus on how we need to update the Vdisk is very important for us. What is the
Yes.
step? We
Okay.
need to every day we are going. This setup is already there in your company. We need to discuss how we are going to update our
Bdisk.
Vdisk.
disk and how we can maintain the merging of the differential disk. What are the right cache locations, best practices for right cache locations, then how we can merge those. And if you have the multiple stores, we have copied, right? Like when we created from SQL to Venkat or Vdisk folder, we copied those files, right? But if you have
Yeah.
multiple locations, we may have multiple stores, and this Vdisk need to be replicated to multiple load balancing, all these advanced things we'll discuss in the next class.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, everyone try to do this lab and go through Vdisk update steps. I'll share you, go through that one.
Okay.
Okay, at least finally we got this one that I didn't expect 11 and 17 because 66 and 67 we used to give that. But this firmware
Okay.
is expecting
And think this is for the VMware
a
environment.
VMware, this is expecting that from that. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
then we'll discuss on the okay. If
Yeah.
tomorrow is there, I'll let you know. Otherwise, we'll connect on Monday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, tomorrow, otherwise, morning, can we connect?
Yeah.
Okay.
For me, no
8:30,
issue.
8:30, is it fine?
That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Then we'll connect tomorrow, 8:30.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Because
Yeah.
we need to go for again MCS, we need to go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, NetScaler also we need to discuss.
Okay.
Okay, sure.
Okay.